Historical content is one of the highest performing niches on YouTube right now. People genuinely want to understand the past. They want to know what really happened. And the channels that are winning in this space are the ones that make history feel alive. Not like a school textbook, but like a film. Like you're actually there. Watch this video.
When most people imagine the pyramids, the picture is usually the same. Thousands of exhausted slaves dragging giant stones through the desert. You've probably seen that version in movies. But here's what they are not telling you. Archaeologists studying the Giza Plateau started digging around the pyramids and found something that didn't match that story at all. Actual towns, worker villages, bakeries, food storage, even medical areas. So instead of a massive slave camp, it looked more like a giant ancient construction site. So if thousands of workers were living here, what exactly were they eating every day? Moving stone blocks that weigh several tons is not exactly light exercise. You're going to need food. A lot of it. Archaeologists found animal bones, bread ovens, and huge food preparation areas near the pyramids. Workers ate bread, fish, vegetables, and a surprising amount of beef. Yes, beef. Not exactly the diet you'd expect if they were starving slaves. Bread and beer were the daily staples.
That's exactly what I was going for with this video, and I brought that entire story to life completely inside Keoo AI using Kling 3.0. Let me show you how. The first thing I do before I even open Keoo AI is have a solid plan for what I want to create. Because if you go in without one, you will get stuck, run out of ideas, and waste a ton of credits. So I start in ChatGPT. That's where I build everything. My scene breakdown, my image prompts, my video prompts. Now for a historical video, the first thing you need is a topic. And if you don't have one yet, that's fine. Just ask ChatGPT. Tell it that you want to create a historical video and ask it to give you 2 or 3 topic ideas, each with a brief story summary. It'll give you different history options, maybe the building of the pyramids, the fall of Rome, the Silk Road, whatever fits the kind of content you want to make. You just pick the one that excites you most. Once you've chosen your story, now you go deeper. Paste the story back into ChatGPT and ask it to break everything down scene by scene. Tell it the visual style you want: cinematic, realistic, warm desert tones, close-up and medium shots only. Ask for camera specs. Then ask it to write you image prompts and video prompts for every single scene. Once I have that, the roadmap is complete. Now we head over to Keoo AI. The link to Keoo AI is in the description of this video. Inside Keoo AI, click Idea Lab, then click Image Generation. Paste your scene prompt. For this video, I started with Scene 1, the workers at the base of the pyramid. I copied the first scene image generation prompt and pasted it in Keoo AI. Select Nano Banana as your model. Set the quality to 2K. That's what I use for historical content because the detail in the textures, the faces, the environment, it all needs to be sharp and rich. Then hit generate. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you're missing out on a lot. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment. For the next scene, the desert scene with thousands of exhausted workers dragging enormous limestone blocks across hot sand, I copied that prompt, pasted it in, and generated. For the third scene, the aerial view of the Giza Plateau showing all 3 pyramids, same thing. Copy, paste, generate. You keep doing this until you've generated every image scene you need for the entire video. Now we move from image generation to video. Upload your scene image into Keoo AI. Make sure Kling 3.0 is selected. Change your aspect ratio to 16:9 for a long YouTube video, or 9:16 for shorts. I went with 16:9 for this one, that cinematic widescreen feel. Set your time to 10 seconds. Leave multi-shot off. Then paste in your video prompt. Start with what the camera does, then describe the character movement. Then add any dialogue or narration cues if you need them. For the first scene, I pasted the same prompt I used for the image, because I didn't want any extra dialogue, just the visuals. But if you want something more conversational, tweak the prompt the way I mentioned earlier. Let's see how it turned out. Perfect, right? Now for the second video, same process. Attach the image, copy the image prompt, confirm Kling 3.0 is still selected with the same settings, and hit generate. Now this next part is what makes or breaks a historical type video: consistency. Every single element needs to feel like it belongs to the same time period, the same location, the same world. Now, Nano Banana Pro has a built-in feature that helps maintain consistency while you're still on the same page. But of course, it isn't perfect. So whenever I notice the background is starting to drift from earlier scenes, here's how I handle it. After I generate a scene, let's say the pyramid site, the worker village, the cooking area, I save those images. Then anytime I need a new scene in that same location, I upload the saved image as a reference, and in that way the setting stays identical across every clip. Simple, right? Keep going until you've turned every generated image into a video clip. I'll drop all the prompts I used in my Discord channel. Link is in the description. Once all your clips are ready, bring everything into your video editor and put them together. This is where the video actually comes together. You can use the built-in editor inside Keoo AI or CapCut, whatever works for you. For the voiceover, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a voiceover script based on your story. Copy that script, come back to the text-to-speech option inside Keoo AI, paste it in, select your voice, then click Generate. Once it's ready, download the audio. Now go back to your video editor, add the voiceover, and make sure each scene lines up with what's being said in the audio. Once you're happy with it, export, and you've got something that looks and sounds like this.
When most people imagine the pyramids, the picture is usually the same. Thousands of exhausted slaves dragging giant stones through the desert. You've probably seen that version in movies, but here's what they are not telling you. Archaeologists studying the Giza Plateau started digging around the pyramids and found something that didn't match that story at all. Actual towns, worker villages, bakeries, food storage, even medical areas. So instead of a massive slave camp, it looked more like a giant, ancient construction site. So if thousands of workers were living here, what exactly were they eating every day? Moving stone blocks that weigh several tons is not exactly light exercise. You're going to need food. A lot of it. Archaeologists found animal bones, bread ovens, and huge food preparation areas near the pyramids. Workers ate bread, fish, vegetables, and a surprising amount of beef. Yes, beef. Not exactly the diet you'd expect if they were starving slaves. Bread and beer were the daily staples.
That is the complete process for creating a cinematic historical AI video using Kling 3.0 inside Keoo AI. The link to Keoo AI is in the description. The lowest plan starts at $25 a month, but if you're serious about creating content at this level, go with the Premier plan at $100 a month. It's worth it. All the prompts from this video are in my Discord channel. Link is in the description. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with a creator who needs to see this. I'll see you in the next one.